Abantu kuhigo kume by'obuhangwa nobwo aba Rotaract Club of Ankole Western University rukushangwa muri Shema babiri nibatongoze ihuriro y'okuyonja emyanya ey'okweteranirwamu abantu bingi hamwe n'okubyara emitahirwaro rya Kabwohe Health Center ya Kana hamwe n'ahitendekero ryabo.
Tureba hariho empindahinduka y'obwire, tureba hariho kugwa kw'enjura nyingere ngeserize, tureba obwire bw'icyanda nikigenda kiba icyanda kirenga mbwenu nko mu muringo gumwe nka road tractors na Rotarian zihanga ariyo na Naresiyo na kubigura kwezi kuhinga imiti na kubyara imiti yakubasa kurinda ubuhangwa.
Aba babanze no kuyonjirwa rya Kabwohe Health Center ya Kana nabwanyuma babyaraho imiti no kwegumiza mu kubyara no mitomi ya nyendijo.
We have decided to take part in this activity to make a very good brand of our club, and I call upon other clubs around the university to come and take part in any other activity that can benefit the society.
Janto mbwire bwanyencha kare irwaro rya echombe konke cha kurine chatangire kozesebwa abarwire bariyagumana bafuna shedi kandi emiti erinde omuyaga okushisha echombe.
We are here as the Rotary Club at the center, health center for hospital, trying to maintain hygiene, keep the place clean, ensure that the patients are living in a healthy and conducive environment.
Anita Singwire, or president wa Rotaract Club of Ankole Western University, ahijira aba barukutahira bishara hamwe n'ebibera bakabicwecereza ngo bakomye umuzogu.
Shazire mutu agira ngo ntukirininga irara kuba turebere hariho bwetavugwa amani kurugero kutwashanga umwanya wo kugwagurirwa mwetaga okuyonjera kwamani munonga kandi okubyare mutahiraro bariho nubombeke cyombeko cyanti kushangwa kibe kibi munonga washanga cyombeko ticyashanga.
It is going to make an impact for generations to come, especially once these trees grow up. It was really a good thought of them, and I want to specifically thank their president who came through with the idea.
Amakoraga Gashakwa Michael atwachire.